We'll guide you through how to open the YouTube website in Chrome on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to use YouTube on the website instead of the app, we're going to guide you through how this can be done. So perhaps you've gone and pressed search here, and then you go and type in YouTube. We'll go and search for it and press YouTube. You're going to go and find the app goes and opens up, which we don't want. So to go and stop this, what you need to do is when you go and tap on the search, or you go and search something else, you need to go and tap on the address bar at the top. And in the address bar, or when you first tap on the bar, you need to go and type in the address, youtube.com. So go and type in youtube.com like that, and don't go and search for it. And then we'll go and press the enter button in the bottom right. What you can do is you can go and request a desktop site. So you can press the three dots in the top right, go down, and you can go and press a desktop site. Then it's going to go and reload. And as you can see, here we are on the desktop site and we can go and use it. It's that simple.